Here's how to mask your videos. All you need to do is come over here, go to mask, and here are your options. Now, the options are a little bit limited, so you might need to get creative. So you have none, you have split where it just splits it in half, and what you'll see throughout each of these is this icon right here. This icon is the feather icon. So as you can see, the more I push it outward, the more feathering. Then you have film strip, which I think is really cool. And the way to get the cinematic bars is by using film strip and then reversing it. I could even make that a separate video. And you have circle. You know, these are very straightforward. You have rectangle. And you can even change the proportions here. You have a heart. You have a star. And you also have things here where you could change the size here if you want to. You could rotate it. You could change the positioning. And you could feather it here. That's it if you don't want to do it over here. It actually looks pretty cool. Now, another way that you could do this, because there's different ways to mask, is if you had a green screen, you could easily just click chroma key, have the color picker, and then pick the color that you want to be removed. Usually it's green or a bright blue. And you could have that. Or if you're in the frame, you have a person in the frame, you could just drag it, click auto cut out, and it'll usually cut out the background if there's a person in the video.